beauties, it's me, Allegra. I cannot even tell you how incredible that I feel right now with this new hair, you guys. I got new hair. These are new Doors clip-in hair extensions. So these are seamless clip-in hair extensions, Amazon best sellers. So you guys, I am on cloud 9 right now, truly. And you guys, I know that, I have mentioned previously that I've used Doors clip-in hair extensions in the past. I mean, I've been wearing clip-ins for years because at one time my hair was completely falling out. I had a hormonal issue and I had health issues and my hair just completely fell out pretty much. So the only thing that was, making me feel better about myself was wearing my Doors clip-ins. But you guys, they have now, or maybe they haven't, maybe it's not new. I don't know. It's new to me because I just always would go back for jet black, natural blue black, and I was addicted to it. But now, beauties, I am super excited, especially more than ever, because I got to try their balayage clip-in hair extensions. So I never thought that these would look good on me, and I could not be more happier, and these just feel so incredible. I'm not sure if in the past maybe I didn't get the 150 grams. This is what I got today, 150 grams balayage. It is called Natural Black to Light Blonde, and I cannot believe it because it's just absolutely stunning. And I actually, I was thinking about maybe treating myself for my upcoming anniversary. I was going to get extensions and I wanted to get balayage done to my hair, and it costs thousands of dollars. The extensions alone will cost over $1,000, and then the balayage can cost thousands of dollars, especially to find someone that can do it so incredibly where it looks natural, because this looks so, I gotta show you guys, it just looks, look at I'm on cloud 9. Like I said, I am just thrilled because I got the hair extensions look without having to, go get the hair extensions. I got the balayage that I wanted. I've been wanting it for years. It was just a matter of me finding the right person because, it's very hard to find someone that knows how to do it really good where it looks really natural. But these from Doors look completely natural. It is just the most perfect color blend. The colors just blend so effortless. They look so natural. I just can't get over it because I've had this blue-black hair for so long that I never thought I could actually have, some kind of blonde highlights or things like that, because, a lot of people would say you have to strip your hair, and I didn't want to do that since I had previously lost so much hair, and I've had so many mishaps at the hair salon that I'm actually kind of a little terrified of going to the hair salon, to be honest, because one time I had my hair dyed at the salon and it all fell out and broke off and fell out. So it's just, I have not had good luck with going to the hair salon. So anyway, I've been searching for the longest time to find the right balayage, and I was even thinking about flying to Arizona. There's a girl on Instagram, and she does the most beautiful balayage. It actually looks just like this, and she charges, I'm sure, thousands of dollars. And you guys, I got it. I got the hair extensions that I wanted. I got the balayage color that I wanted. This did even come straight. I'm going to do an unboxing and show you, and then show you how I style it. But these are actually, because they are human hair, you can style them. I did curl these. I don't have any product in my hair because I want to keep them, clean and fresh as long as possible. Although my other Doors clip-in hair extensions I've had since, I think, I was wearing the same pair since, I believe it was October. So these last so long, and I could still wear my other black ones, but I'm not going to. This is it. I'm addicted to this. The color, the silkiness, oh my God, they feel extra incredible. I don't feel any weight. They are seamless. So you can't see any of the weft. It feels completely comfortable on your head. So I like that because, I love this look, but like I have mentioned, maybe you haven't seen them in previous videos, I don't always want super long hair, and these are 20 inches. Sometimes I do like to look a little more natural, so I will change up my hair, and what I will do is I won't wear clip-in hair extensions when I want to look a little more, when I have kid events, to go to, I don't want to look too, I don't want, you know, so much hair. So that on those days I will just leave my hair natural, and it's about up to here. So anyway, beauties, I'm gonna go ahead and unbox my clip-ins with you now. I didn't already do that, so I'm just going to go ahead and show you, and then I'm going to show you how I installed these and how I also styled them with heat with my curling wand, because again, these are natural. These are human hair extensions. They are sourced ethically, so they do everything, you know, top-notch outdoors hair extensions. And so you can feel good about shopping with them, and they are again on Amazon, so you get that Amazon Prime shipping. They have coupons. I actually do have a promo code also that you can use to take advantage of and get extra savings as well. My code is actually Alegra C5, and you just go ahead and enter that on Amazon and you'll get 5% off. Yeah, you'll get 5% off of your order. And again, this set here, I got 7 pieces, 20 inches, 150 grams of hair for $149. Unbelievable. I've never seen anything like it, and I got the balayage look. So you know, to go into salon and get this done would cost me probably at least $2,000. So I can't believe it. I'm so happy. So anyway, guys, let me go ahead and show you everything, you know, the unboxing, how I install them and style them, and then I will be right back.
So here's how I look without my clip-ins in. My hair is much shorter, so that's why I love these doors for length, for volume, and also to color my hair without damage to my hair. So this is how they arrive to you. They come beautifully packaged in this Tiffany blue box, and there is a safety seal, so you know it is an authentic Doors product. And then they are packaged just in these beautiful safety sealed packages, and then you just go ahead and open it, and you literally will not believe once you take them out how soft, how silky they are. And the color, if you do choose to have colored extensions, the color is just absolutely stunning, so natural. So here is how you apply them. It is so easy to install them and takes, again, literally minutes. So what you do is you separate your hair and you use a fine-tooth comb horizontally across the scalp, and at the lower back of the head, just below one ear, from one ear to the other. That's a great place to start. So you unsnap all the clips, measure the nape of your neck, and place a 4-clip piece just above the section line and close the clip. These close very easily, and the clips are super high quality and they stay in place and they do not budge. So then you just go ahead and continue to place the pieces in the sections you have already parted, and make sure the clips are concealed by the hair you are layering above them. Put down the hair on the top of your head, so go ahead and take out the clip. Once you have put all your clip-ins in, you're going to take your own natural hair that you've sectioned off. You guys, can you believe that length and volume? It's crazy. I literally feel like a totally different person. It's so much fun. And so yeah, when you've got them all in, go ahead and take out your own piece of real hair, and that's going to conceal and cover the wefts, and you're just not going to see anything. They're totally undetectable. They're totally seamless. They do not budge. They're, you know, they don't pinch on your head. They feel so comfortable. It's crazy. And again, they are undetectable, so that's really great. And then, you know, you can go ahead and put a few more in. You can go as crazy as you want with them, because you do get 7 pieces in the set. So normally I do only wear like 2 or 3 clip-ins at a time, but you can always go ahead and put all 7 in if you want that uber glam look. If it's especially like if you're going for a night out or a special occasion, go ahead and put them all in and you'll just feel incredible. And then they do have pieces that you can put on the sides of your head as well. So those are really great too, to put them on the side. So these are the ones I'm going to put on the side. You know, normally I don't do this, but again, for a special occasion, and with the balayage, if you're going to get the balayage, it's really important to use the ones on the side of your head, because it just makes the color all blend better together with your natural hair. So I'm just going to put in those 2 pieces on the side. And you guys, can you believe this color? And they come so silky. I actually love them you know, this silky texture and this silky look. But because these are human hair extensions, you can curl them. So I'm going to show you how I curl them if that's something that you'd like to do. But again, the wefts are so thin and pretty invisible on your head. So they sit flat against your scalp. And that's why everybody really loves the Doors clip-ins the best, because they just sit so comfortably against your scalp and are undetectable and they're invisible. So this is pretty much the final look. I could not love these clip-in extensions more, you guys. They're stunning. They're silky. They feel so incredible. And again, I do have that code Alegra C5, so you'll get an additional 5% off of your order, because these were only $79, believe it or not, with the coupon. So, because they have their own coupon. But again, here's how they look finished. You can run your fingers through them. They're, you know, it feels so good. They're not going to budge. They'll stay in all night. And some people like to tease their hair before they put it on. They put the clip-in in. They'll tease a section of their hair and spray it with hairspray, and then put the clip into the teased section. So if you have very thin hair, that might be something that you want to do. I've never had to do that, but I've seen hairstylists do that a lot to help the clip-ins to stay in better. But I'm going to show you now how I curl my Doors clip-in hair extensions using my curling wand. So again, because these are human hair extensions, you can curl them easily and effortlessly, and they curl in seconds. They take a curl like a dream. So even though they're so silky, they curl like so easily. It's amazing. But normally with my own natural hair, I would have put in quite a few styling products, but with the Doors, I'm not putting any styling products in my hair at this time, because I really just want to keep them as clean and fresh as possible. So I'm not using any hairspray or anything, because you really don't even need it. For some reason, the Doors hold the curl, they hold the style, and you know, I haven't felt the need to use a lot of styling products on them. But you know, I like to just try to keep them as clean as possible without the styling products. But anyhow, I'm just going to go run this curling wand throughout my hair, and it comes out this beautiful beachy wave look. And I love how the balayage is all blending together with my own natural hair, and the shades that the color that they made is just so beautiful. So it all looks so natural and gorgeous. So again, I just go around and do this around my whole head, and I don't know if you guys want to see this whole step, because it's just the same thing over and over. I hold the wand vertically. Sometimes I hold it horizontally, you know, to change up the curl pattern when you want those beachy waves. Now, I didn't use styling products in my hair today, but you definitely can use styling products, and then you can wash these Doors clip-in hair extensions, and they will come clean. They will not become dry and brittle when you wash them. So to wash them is super easy. You just comb through the hair. Pretty much use your hands or a wide tooth comb to untangle, and you start at the bottom and then work your way to the top, and then you shampoo them, pat them dry, don't rub, and then towel dry your hair with a towel, and let it dry naturally is the best way. But you know, you don't want to wash them every day. Maybe once every 4 to 5 days is sufficient. Although if you're like me and don't put any styling products in them, you will not need to wash them as much, because I really only wash mine very rarely because I just try to keep them clean without styling products. I don't feel the need for them, but my own hair, I will use styling products. So before I put the clip-ins in, I will use styling products on my natural hair. But this is how it looks once they're curled, even with no styling products. You get all the volume. You don't need, volumizing sprays or anything, because the clip-ins are giving you the volume. The Doors clip-ins have, just so much volume, and they're so thick. Each hair strand is incredibly thick. They don't feel flimsy like other extensions I've tried in the past. They feel very thin. These are very thick, 150 grams in these extensions for only, I believe it was $79 again. So I'll have everything linked down below and my code.
So beauties, how gorgeous are these doors, clip-in hair extensions? I can't believe it. Let me know if you've tried these. I know in my previous video, a lot of you beauties had went ahead and shopped them and you had told me that you love them. So let me know if you would be interested in trying a balayage version. I was scared. I was scared because I figured I wouldn't like it because I'm kind of a creature of habit. So, or, you know, like I said, I've been scarred from different, you know, bad hair dye jobs in the past, but these are stunning. I think they look even more natural and beautiful in real life than even what you'll see online in the pictures. I truly think you would not be disappointed if you want to branch out and try it. But I love this. I'm so happy and I'm so grateful to Doors for making such high quality products so that everybody can get, you know, get a beautiful hair, especially so many of us with issues where your hair falls out. You can feel good about yourself again. You can feel confident and you know, at least till your hair grows back in, or if it never grows back in, that's fine. You know, just go ahead, put a clip in. And you know, I personally normally only wear one clip in, so I don't know if I'll always be wearing. Today I have on all 7. I don't know if I'll wear this on the regular. I could see myself. I always just wear one. So I like one, and then I go wait till it gets kind of messed up, and then I'll go for another one. So this pack of 7 lasts me forever because I wind up just using, you know, one at a time. But I don't know. I'll get back to you and let you know. Maybe I'll use 2. I'm addicted to this look now. So maybe I will do this every day because it only takes minutes to install and put on. It's so easy. So you might see me with this look every day now, you guys. So it's addicting because it feels incredible. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for spending time with me today and checking out my Doors clip-in hair extensions, how I do them, my new set here that I'm so thrilled with. So anyway, beauties, I hope you're all doing good. Let me know what you think about this hair. Do you like it? And what color would you choose? Would you go for balayage, or would you just go for, you know, your natural shade? You know, would you mix it up? Let me know down below. And that's pretty much it. So I hope you beauties are all doing good, and I will see you very soon. Bye!